Sans, I'm sorry it has to come to this, but I'm afraid I cannot allow this use of agonizing jokes any longer. Oh, are you gonna punish me? No, nothing like. Wait, was that a pun? Sans, was that a pun? Yes. Then yes, I am indeed going to punish you. Sans, are you gonna send me to the Sans no penitentiary? Or maybe the Sans stop pungin? Sans, why? You're tearing this family apart! Yes, my puns sure are terrible. When will God punish these sins? When will God punish these sins? Shoot! I will flipping end you!